it's Kirby Runyon here. I'm a PhD planetary geologist, and I'm really excited about the recent successful test flight that Virgin Galactic had just a few days ago on May 25th, 2023. And I really want to point out a few things in the New Mexico landscape that you might have missed while you're watching some of the footage from the Virgin Galactic test flight. So we're going to be watching together this short clip on Virgin Galactic's YouTube channel, and I'm going to be pausing it at a few places and talking through some stuff. So let's enjoy this together. This is sort of like Mystery Science Theater 3000, but it's for real. Okay, in this first scene here, right after the spaceship separates from the mothership, you can see right down here, this is Elephant Butte Reservoir. So it's a dammed river and it provides water to the area of New Mexico.
Fire! Fire!
Okay, in this scene during the boost phase, this dark area right here is called the Coronado Del Muerto volcano. And the volcanic crater, called a caldera, is right there in the middle. There's also a cinder cone inside there, kind of, you know, your classic cone-shaped volcano. It's sitting right there in the middle of Coronado Del Muerto, and then the rest of this is all lava flow that has flowed around there. And we're looking at the Rio Grande River right here in the background as the spaceship is boosting to suborbital space. Okay, great view from one of the cameras looking out the tail section of the spaceship. Right over here is White Sands National Park. We're looking towards the south into Mexico, actually. So this is New Mexico here. Right down here is, right around in here is El Paso, Texas. This is getting down into Mexico. In particular, I want to point out this gray smudge right here. This gray smudge right here is called Aden Volcanic Crater, and it's sort of similar to Coronado del Muerto, except smaller. And then right down here is another volcanic feature called Kilbourne Hole. Kilbourne Hole is a type of volcano called a Mar crater, M-A-A-R. Red hot magma came into an underground aquifer filled with lava, and it flashed it to steam instantaneously, resulting in this huge steam explosion. And I've been down here and I've hiked around this as well. And right here we have the San Andres Mountains. The spaceship took off from right around over in here. Getting down here into Mexico, we've got a few sand dune features. This is the Samalayuca dune field. It's this little tan area right here. This is a similar sand dune field just adjacent to it in northern Mexico. I couldn't quite get the name of it, but these are some wind-blown features here. Weightlessness! Oh. This is one of my favorite shots right here. First of all, you've got two people completely gobsmacked looking out the window at God's creation. And right over here, we've got the Carrizozo lava flow. This is pointing south, and in fact, what we saw White Sands earlier is just down over here. This is the Carrizozo lava flow. This is something like a 75-mile long, I think, lava flow originating up here at a little volcanic vent called Little Black Peak. And you can actually go to a place called the Valley of Fires Recreation Area right around in here near the town, the tiny little town of Carrizozo, New Mexico. So the Carrizozo lava flow, White Sands over here, and then of course we're getting Earth's beautiful horizon and that thin blue atmospheric line, and people having a transformative life experience, experiencing spaceflight briefly.
Space! Beautiful.
Okay, we've got another great shot out the back of the spaceship. We've again got the southern boundary of White Sands National Park with all the white sand dune fields there, the San Andres Mountains. We've got the Rio Grande River Valley through here. Here we've got the Aden Volcanic Crater, and then Kilbourne Hole Volcanic Mar Crater, and the Samalayuca Dune Field right here. Just looking out the back here. Right around in here is going to be the city of El Paso, Texas. And we're coming in for a landing. There you have it. And I love this new branding that Virgin Galactic is coming up with, Space for the Curious. I love that. Are you space curious? I am. Not only do I like looking at geologic landforms from space, but I actually run tours that you can sign up for to come with me on geologic astronaut training trips to New Mexico to see the incredible views that Virgin Galactic and also Blue Origin astronauts will see out the window. So sign up at my website, planx.space, or leave a message in the comment section below to see how you can do some astronaut geology training with me, planetary geologist Dr. Kirby Runyon, in New Mexico. Thanks for watching.